Hi, and welcome to another episode of Barry's Backyard BBQ. And what we got going on here is a new addition. And we're going to unveil it in about 2 seconds here. But I did want to show you this nice cover. Is everybody ready to see what's underneath here? Here we go. Voila! Got everything on it. We're ready to go. And of course I pre-stocked it. It doesn't come boxed like that, but you do have to assemble it. But it does have a nice little cooler down here for everything. It's even got a handy dandy phone stand. I mean, what else can you want? You put everything on here, and let's go to town.